This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Jacono. Get away from it all in the middle of town. This home is a private garden paradise with plenty of flowers and vegetables. This well-built concrete block home offers a split floor plan, oversized corner lot and is centrally located to town and all major roads. Home has a brand new roof, updated air conditioner and recent electrical panel upgrades. There is a nice sized screen patio in the back overlooking the vegetation. This house is one of a kind. Set up a showing today. For more information, review the details below.